Hello, this is your channel, Sosana Sawan in English. My name is Emmanuel, and now let's continue with the test of this electromagnetic induction heating system. In this case, let's to see what temperature this system reaches using our digital multimeter. This that I have in my hand is a digital multimeter. In this case, we are going to change the battery inside this digital multimeter because the battery doesn't have enough energy. Let's to remove the battery. In this case, open this, and this is a 9-volt battery, like we're watching now in my hand. This is very easy to remove from the digital multimeter, disconnect these two poles in this way, but I need other digital multimeter to measure how many volts has this battery. Let's put this here. And I'm going to take this, put this, to use our digital multimeter. This is other digital multimeter. I need this digital multimeter to measure the voltage of the 9 volts battery. Like we were watching in the other videos, select 20 volts in direct current voltage and turn on the digital multimeter. And now this digital multimeter is ready to measure this 9 volts battery. I have different battery of this, but I don't know if has charge. In this case, this battery have 5.64 volts. I can't use this battery. I need to use other battery. Let's measure how many volts has this battery inside with this digital multimeter. In this case, this has less voltage. I can use this. Let's use other 9 volts battery. In this case, this battery has 8.89 volts. It means I can use this battery for this multimeter. Let's put this battery inside the digital multimeter. Watch this point, this with this, and connect in this way. This is the only way to connect. Now introduce the battery inside the digital multimeter and close with this little door. Now put this in this way. Now our digital multimeter is ready. Something very important, I use this digital multimeter because this digital multimeter can measure temperature. The other digital multimeter can't measure temperature. That's the reason that we are using this digital multimeter. The number on the screen is the temperature here, where I'm I. Let's choose Celsius inside the temperature area, and let's close the camera to watch better this test. Now, for this test, I'm going to use this little clip and put inside this tool together with the thermocouple. This is a little sensor to measure the temperature in the point is touched here. In this case, we are going to measure the temperature of this clip while we introduce the clip inside the system. In this case, this is Celsius grade, and let's start the test. Watch the multimeter screen. 80, 90, 100, Celsius grade, 130, 150, 180, 200 is quickly, like we are watching now. 240 is working correctly. This system is working correctly. This induction heating system. 200, 300 Celsius grade. 324 Celsius grade. 340 Celsius grade. Continue. This is very hot now. I'm using both hands to keep the clip inside the system. Almost. Yeah, 400 grades. 400 Celsius grade. Yeah. This is a very high temperature. Let's take outside because the tour is very hot. Now, the temperature on the multimeter screen is returning to the normal in this case. In this case, watch the tool change the color on the tool. That's the reason that I stopped the test in this case. 400 Celsius grade. Look the condition on the tool. And in this way, we test this system with this digital multimeter. Look here, this is a little clip. Look the condition. The temperature was very high. Thank you for watching. This is your channel Sosanasa One. This is all for today. Subscribe here in our channel Sosanasa One in English. Share this video. Give me a like. Thank you for watching. In this case, we did test the temperature in this system using this digital multimeter in the temperature mode in this case. This is all for today. See you next time. Thank you.